sketchy.
Yeah, it is. We have this Goldwing we picked up a year ago, maybe? Yeah. $500, guys. It was $500. Mark even went the extra mile and put a dual Chinese Walmart radio in it. We did a carb rebuild on it.
I call it that.
And cables. Cables are working good. The starter solenoid is junk. I think I cooked it by doing something. We gotta short it out with a screwdriver. Battery was dead from sitting all winter, so we're gonna hook the jump pack up to it. Turn the fuel on. See if it'll crank over and start and run. Caleb said he took it to town and he got back and I think the whole crankcase was full of gas.
Yeah.
He said.
Well, that's because I think it sat, and then when I started it up, we left the gas on when it sat.
Yeah. Wouldn't recommend Chinese float needles, so. You see Caleb's hooking the jump pack. Obviously we want opposite connections. No, I'm kidding. Big screwdriver there. See if you got any key power. Indeed. All right, neutral? Yep. Okay. So Caleb's gonna have, I'm gonna have to have the clutch in. Turn the gas on dollar. Alright. Put her on what? Reserve? Yeah. We'll see if it'll. Alright, pop start. Good connection. Yeah, I'm gonna check the jump pack. Unless the jump pack's dead. Oh, it drained it right down. It drained it right down. Oh, the jump pack's sad. We tried pop starting it with a dead battery. It just kind of chugged and sputtered, and yeah, as soon as we put it back, mind you, a battery that's like 3 years old, been sitting in the winter, fired up instantly, guys. Cranked it up, thing runs and idles. So we're gonna have Caleb take it for a little rip in the field. So we'll see if it holds up. Yeah, so we rebuilt the carbs and had it flood out on us one time, so I don't know if it was Chinesium or what. Mark, what do you think's gonna happen, dude? What? He's gonna take this in the field for a little bit.
The over-under salt eating. Have you guys ever seen the famous dead fish?
Oh,
Put the roll bars on. I'm just gonna keep my feet on the pegs, and then it's the safest option.
Yeah, because the roll bars will protect your legs.
What if I start going over? I'm just gonna bail.
Yeah, that would be great.
Well, we at least gotta send it down the road.
No, you gotta send it in the field first.
I'm gonna go on that part first.
Yeah, down there?
Yeah.
All right, guys, so he's suiting up here.
You got the screw?
I got the screwdriver.
Gotta fire it up.
Yeah, I'll see if we can fire it up. His motocross helmet, motocross boots.
All right, it's on.
All right.
Gas is on.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh, yeah. Oh, she loves that, dude. We'll still get 1,200 after we beat it, though. And then, dude, it's dry out there. None the wiser. They'll never know.
None the wiser.
And we'll put this in my back pocket because in case we stall it. Never checked oil, but.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, you did? Oh, he's humping her. See if that stiff old clutch, you ain't gonna one-finger that one.
It's actually gotten better. Feel it.
Oh.
I'm telling you, it actually got a little better.
Oh! Yeah, you got way better. Oh, yeah, she loves all of it. Dude, the forks are just, there's no oil.
None.
God, that is hilarious, dude. What's the Rip'ems at?
That was $6.
Turbocharged, too. You can hear that whine of something. How's the clutch?
Good.
You can just hear the forks just clapping out. Oh, that sounds awful. Oh!
Can you hear that?
Oh, I can hear it. Driving a full dresser off-road is not ideal. We just did a 75-mile-an-hour run on the road. Two up, so it held up. Oh! Yeah, no. Oh!
Go up there a little bit.
All right.
Man, that's sketchy.
Yeah, it is.
Over the mound? No, I'm kidding. We'll go out there a little bit. Man, that's sketchy.
Yeah, it is. Whoop-de woke. What do you think?
Huh?
What do you think?
That's pretty good.
How fast did you pull it up to?
75, third gear.
Jesus Christ. Give a quick red line. She sounds rowdy. Well, successful $500 Goldwing rip off-road. If you guys like this video, make sure you comment down below, leave a like, thumbs up, subscribe, share this out. Takes a lot of encouragement to put them on the bike and make them go out there and get routed around.
Yeah,
So,
if you guys knew how sketchy this was.
now you might think, oh, you're totally safe, you're on a full dresser. No. No.
And
So-
we're not good riders to begin with, so that doesn't
Right.
help.
All right, guys. Until next time.